So I bought some microphones because the audio in my first video was not great, and we need to test them, so roof down. Okay, so apart from the fact that Krista just did her makeup and there's makeup flying everywhere, we're clipped in, the roof is down, we are coming on to the M5 motorway. Let's see how long until these microphones give out. 50. Although we've come on
we are now in a 50
we're on a 50 zone, so we can't go any faster than 50. So if you can't hear us now, then we're screwed. Okay, we are now approaching the end of the 50 zone. So we are now bringing the speed up. So 65, 70-ish. Hopefully you guys can still hear us. These microphones weren't very expensive, so I don't have much hope. 77.
No.
10%. Oh, I tell you what, CL500 there. That's a car that I got in a lot of trouble in back in the day. Can we still hear us? That's the question.
I don't know.